EnglightenPro. Learn faster. Speak like a pro. Hello, incredible challengers, and welcome to day 13 of your 15-day English Fluency Challenge. You're doing an amazing job building your confidence. Today, we're diving into how to confidently talk about your future plans and goals in English, giving you the power to share your dreams and intentions clearly. I'll share a story about my own aspirations and what I'm looking forward to. Remember our super powerful 3-step technique? We'll apply it right now. First, you'll listen to a new story to feel the English. Then we'll break down essential phrases from that story. And finally, you'll practice with our story comprehension Q&A game to build instant fluency. This method is crucial for training your mind muscles to think and respond instantly in English. Ready to share your future with confidence and clarity? Let's begin. Listen closely as I share my future plans and goals. Pay attention to the phrases I use. These are our 7 new common phrases for discussing the future. I had a really motivating chat with my friend Alex last night about what we want to do in the future. I told him, well, I'm planning to start learning a new language this summer, maybe Spanish. It's something I've considered for a while. Also, I'm going to finally visit South America next year if everything works out. I've always dreamed of going there. I'm hoping to spend at least a month exploring different cultures. My biggest long-term aspiration, though, is that my goal is to complete my master's degree within the next 3 years. It's a huge commitment, but I'm looking forward to the challenge and all the new opportunities it will bring. For something more immediate, I'd like to try that new hiking trail near the mountains this weekend, if the weather is good. And actually, I'm thinking of volunteering at the animal shelter once a week. I heard they really need help, and I absolutely love animals. It was such a great conversation, inspiring us both to think about our next steps. All right, challengers, that was Emily's story. Now for our second step, let's break down today's 7 powerful phrases. Remember, we focus on groups of words for natural, confident speaking. Our first phrase is, I'm planning to. This means you have a definite arrangement or intention for the near future. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach next weekend. In the story, Emily said, I'm planning to start learning a new language this summer. Next, we have, I'm going to. This is a very common way to talk about general future intentions or actions. For instance, I'm going to buy a new car soon. In her story, Emily said, I'm going to finally visit South America next year. Then there's, I'm hoping to. Use this when you express a desire or aspiration, but there might be some uncertainty. For example, I'm hoping to get a promotion this year. In the story, Emily said, I'm hoping to spend at least a month exploring different cultures. Our fourth phrase is, my goal is to. This is perfect for stating a specific, often long-term objective or aim. You might say, my goal is to run a marathon next year. In Emily's story, she stated, my goal is to complete my master's degree within the next 3 years. Then we have, I'm looking forward to. This phrase expresses excitement and anticipation about a future event. For example, I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. In the story, Emily used it when she said, I'm looking forward to the challenge and all the new opportunities it will bring. Next, we have, I'd like to. This is a very polite and common way to express a desire or preference for something in the future. For example, I'd like to learn how to play the guitar. In the story, Emily mentioned, I'd like to try that new hiking trail near the mountains this weekend. And finally, I'm thinking of. Use this when you're discussing a less definite idea or possibility, something you're considering but haven't fully decided. For instance, I'm thinking of moving to a new city. In her story, Emily said, I'm thinking of volunteering at the animal shelter once a week. Fantastic work understanding all those phrases. Now, let's move on to our third powerful step, practice and expand. We'll do our story comprehension questions and answers. As a crucial piece of advice for you amazing learners, before you start this part, you have to listen to the story again and again so you can feel the fluency. Try to listen to it 10 times. Believe me, this technique is super powerful. All right, remember, pause after each question, answer aloud, and always try to give a full answer. It's crucial for training your mind muscles. Ready? Let's go. Questions about Emily's story and the phrases. Who did Emily talk to last night about future plans? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily talked to her friend Alex last night about future plans. What new language is Emily planning to start learning? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily is planning to start learning Spanish. Where is Emily going to visit next year? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily is going to visit South America next year. How long is Emily hoping to spend exploring in South America? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily is hoping to spend at least a month exploring there. What is Emily's biggest long-term goal regarding her education? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily's biggest long-term goal is to complete her master's degree. How much longer does Emily plan to take to complete her master's degree? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. She plans to complete it within the next 3 years. What is Emily looking forward to regarding her master's degree? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily is looking forward to the challenge and all the new opportunities it will bring. What new activity would Emily like to try this weekend? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily would like to try that new hiking trail near the mountains this weekend. Where is the new hiking trail located? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. The new hiking trail is near the mountains. What kind of volunteer work is Emily thinking of and why? Pause the video now. Answer aloud. Possible answer. Emily is thinking of volunteering at the animal shelter because she heard they need help and she loves animals. Fantastic work, challengers! By practicing story comprehension questions with instant full answers, you're building those mental muscles to speak faster and more naturally. This is the core of true fluency, processing English without translating. You just crushed it and learned 7 powerful new phrases to discuss your future plans and goals. Now, let's quickly review some important key vocabulary from today's lesson. These words will help you express yourself even more clearly. Motivating, making you want to do something, inspiring. Example, that speech was very motivating. Aspiration, a strong desire to achieve something great. Example, her biggest aspiration is to become a doctor. Commitment, a promise or a firm decision to do something. Example, getting a master's degree requires a big commitment. Opportunities, situations or conditions that make it possible to do something. Example, learning English opens up many new opportunities. Immediate, happening or done without delay. Instant. Example, I need an immediate answer. Volunteering, working without pay, usually for a charity or organization. Example, volunteering at the hospital is very rewarding. Inspiring, making you feel enthusiastic or want to do something. Example, her dedication is truly inspiring. You've done an incredible job today, challengers. Now for your daily challenge. Your mission today is to truly master this lesson. Listen to Emily's story 5 to 10 times and then practice answering all the Q&A questions provided in the PDF file. You'll find the download link for the PDF in the description below. This is essential for building those instant English responses. If you found this episode helpful and motivating, don't forget to like, subscribe to EnglightenPro, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single day of our challenge. This is EnglightenPro, your daily English boost. You've got this. I believe in you. I'll see you in episode 14, where we'll focus on how to describe your past experiences and tell stories. Keep thinking in English, keep growing, and always remember, your future is bright.